Yung pinakauna kong trabaho, nag-dishwasher ako. Thanks for the candy. Bigay ko sa anak ko mamaya.
I appreciate you.
Naks, I appreciate you ah. I appreciate you ka pa. O, tapos na ulit ang aking full-time job. Uber time na, let's go. No, Walmart! So kaninang umaga, tumira na tayo. Nakakuha tayo ng meron tayong $17. Ayan, naka-apat na trips tayo, $17. Pwede na yun, walang nag-tip. Ganun talaga. Yun, meron agad. Saan yan? 7-Eleven. Imamatch pa. Okay, match natin. Papugihan ulit. Mas pogi siya, hindi. Nag-search pa. Boom. Atin na punta. Let's go. Papunta lang pa lang tayo sa pwesto, may nakuha na agad tayo. Ayos yan, natipid sa gas.
Make a U-turn to stay on 200th Street. Then turn right.
Nasa kabila lang. Dito tayo, pwede naman eh. Thank you.
Pick up on the
Yung iba
left.
magagalit na yan. Wala naman nakalagay doon na no U-turn eh. So okay lang tayo doon. Tara. Unang pick up. Para kanino? Para kay George. 6 na items. Dami-dami to ah. Go ahead. I'm Uber itself. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. Bye. Ayan, tara. Okay, meron tayong pizza box. Ayan yung item. Nilagay natin dyan kasi medyo malayo-layo yung bahay niya, mga 9 minutes. Para lang ma-maintain natin, makita natin yung init ng pagkain. So, ayan, lagay natin dyan.
Drop off.
Yung pinakadulong bahay. Basahin ulit natin yung instructions. Teka lang.
George R. says, meet at door. Go around to the back and down the black stairs. We're the first door straight ahead.
Okay, to the... Check natin yung deliver ko lang to. May lumabas na order. Deliver ko lang to. 6. Oop. Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good night. Delivery confirm. Yun. Easy drop off lang. Saan tayo? Glenwood Pizza din. Okay.
Turn left on 200th Street.
Tara, doon tayo sa next order. Malapit lang naman eh. Glenwood Pizza. Pizza rin. Lapit lang. I'm coming. Walang malit-malit. Order pa rin yan. Tara, ano ba itong in-order niya? 3 items. Extra cheese. Okay, so pizza din. Parang pizza din ngayon ah. Dalhin natin ito nga. Lagyan na natin ng pizza. Hi, pick up for Jordan. Ay, akala ko pizza. I just get my bag. Thought it was pizza. Akala ko pizza siya.
Uber today?
This is my second one.
Okay.
Hope it's gonna be busy.
Thank you.
Thank you. Verify. Complete pickup. Okay. Mamaya natin next step. Uber Eats. Pero skip the dishes ang bag. Ito yung next stop. Malapit lang. Diretso lang din. Okay, so next one is Jordan House on the left side of the street across the yellow no exit sign. Please message me when you have arrived and I will come out and meet you. Thanks. Okay. Nag-pick up tayo kanina sa 7-Eleven. Naalala ko tuloy noon nagtrabaho din ako 7-Eleven mga almost 2 years yata yun. Nag-graveyard din ako noon. Pero wala pang Uber Eats noon eh. Hindi kami tumatanggap ng Uber. Mga hot foods lang. Tapos, yeah, yung mga drop-in lang na mga customer. Pero wala pang Uber Eats noon. Tagal na. Yun yung pangalawa sa naging una kong trabaho dito sa Canada. Yung pinakauna kong trabaho, nag-dishwasher ako. Tapos yun, 7-Eleven. Tapos ito na yung huli, yung sa forklift dito sa may Lablos. Forklift operator ako ngayon sa Lablos. Pang-apat tong part-time ko na Uber Eats. Part-time lang. Lapit na tayo. Ito. Ikot lang tayo konti.
Jordan V says, meet outside. House is on the left side of the street across from the yellow no exit sign. Please message when you have arrived and I will come out and...
Okay, ang message. I've arrived. Ayun lang, dalawa na tayo. Wala pa isang oras. Dalawa pa para masarap. Paano ba lalabas dito? Tayo magabang kasi nakita nyo sa kita nyo ba yan? Tabi-tabi yan 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 madami dito. Saan ba pa tayo kahit isa pa? Off muna natin itong sasakyan. Magantay tayo dito. Habang nag-aantay, hindi pa kasi tayo nagmerienda after work. Dumiretso na tayo eh. Inom lang ng tubig tsaka yung biscuit. Ganun. Ayun. May lumabas. Ay, malapit lang yan. Accept natin yan.
Head to your pickup at Pha Tan Vietnamese restaurant.
Let's go. Order number 3.
Turn right, then pick up on the right.
Tara. Hello, maaming pick up. Tony.
Tony,
Yeah.
there you go.
Thank you.
Is it today?
This is my third one.
The third one?
Thank you.
already?
Kaya so sorry. Average.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thanks, bye. Have a good day. Thanks for the candy. Binigyan pa tayong candy. Bigay ko sa anak ko mamaya. Ba? Sushi an. Ayun, pang-apat. Sige, kunin na natin. Diba? Uy, complete pick up muna.
Using the right two lanes, make a slight right turn on 204 Street.
Okay. Pipick upin natin para kay Jennifer. Side door main entrance. Saan ang side door? Please use the side door main entrance daw. Okay. Dito pala. Hello. Pick up for Jennifer.
Jennifer.
Yes, Jennifer B. Alright. Oh, that's 3. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Lagay mo natin dito sa likod. Puno na dyan eh. Continue. Next stop. 10 minutes. Layo to. Meron pa siyang instructions. House, meet at door. Unit 20, please bring to the front and choose the doorbell when you're here. Thanks. Okay. Okay, unang drop off natin para kay Tony. Tony T. Sabi niya, Unit 20, please bring to the front and use the doorbell when you're here. Okay, very simple ulit. Simpleng instructions lang.
Turn left on 203 Street.
Hello.
That's for grown up. Don't pick up in
Teka lang, tapusin ko lang tong order ko.
sige.
Mga 10 minutes. Sakto, malapit lang
Okay,
ako dito.
Oo, sige.
Sige, bye-bye. Sakto. Ayan yung Costco dyan, no? Sa harapan. Nandyan sila misis yan sa Costco dito. Diyan natin sila pipick upin. Ayun yung Costco. Drop off muna natin itong dalawa. Tapos stop na natin accepting ng order. Stop, new request. Then okay. So tapusin na lang natin to. Pick upin na natin sila. Magpapagas na rin ako dyan kasi mura dyan eh. Tawagan ko. Bring to the front. Saan ang okay. Bring to the front daw. GPS to sa likod tayo nilagay. Bring to the front. Oh, nagbukas na. Hi. The GPS sent me here at the back. Yes. Tony, yep. Thank you.
Yep, thank you. Have a good night.
Thanks, you too. Okay. Ayos. Last one. Okay, last one. Deliver natin kay Jennifer. We are on room for one at Sandman Signature Hotel. Can you leave the door at food at the door? Pero siya napapunta Moxis.
New message from Jennifer B. Are you able to bring it up to our room?
Sure. Okay. Are you able to bring it up in our room? Okay, I will. ETA 10 minutes. Yung mga tipong bibigyan ka sana ng tip. Sige, dali natin sa room.
New message from Jennifer B. Thank you so much. I appreciate you.
Naks, I appreciate you ah. Oh, siguraduhin mo lang na magtitip ka. I appreciate you ka pa. Basta may tip, walang problema. O sa daan. Tara, punta ka namin. Hindi ko yung last order ko, Jennifer.
Jennifer B says, meet at door. Can you leave the food at the door? Turn right, then drop off. Drop off.
Ito natin dito. I have Uber delivery. Oh, okay. Thank you. Where's the elevator? Thank you. May key card pa. So, gamitin key card. Ito. Ching! Joke lang.
Alright, see you later.
Hi.
Okay,
Oh,
get
scan
the
first.
card first.
Okay.
Score. Great.
She just let me.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I've done the same thing.
Yeah.
Well, I trusted you because you had a card. But that
Yeah,
could be any
she gave it
card.
to me.
Wait a second, who are you?
No, I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm just a delivery boy.
It's like, yeah. Yeah. I guess you get a lot of stuff for hotels because they don't want to go to the
Yeah.
restaurant every day.
Yeah. Bye. Thanks, you too. Anong pala mo sa akin? Hindi ko kaya mag-English. I can English too. Oh, maybe. Of course, my phone. Putik yan. Puro 29 to. Naku po, malayo-layo pa yata to. Dulo nga. Hindi pa kayo ng room, pinakadulo pa. I've arrived.
Awesome.
Thank
Thank
you.
you very much.
Yeah,
sir.
have a good night.
You too.
Thank you. Yun no, naka 26 tayo. Magkano na tayo ngayong araw? $43. So, ayos na yan. Tara, pick upin na natin yung pamilya ko. Hello. Alright, thank you.
Yeah, perfect. Thank you so much.
Yeah, have a good night.
Wonderful. Take care.
Bye. Medyo nakarami tayo ngayon. Ito, pakita ko sa inyo. Naka $43 tayo. Yun, may nagtip pa. May mula kanina. Yun, $5 tip. Yun ang masarap pag may nagtitip. Yung tip na yan, nare-receive mo yan 1 hour after nung delivery mo. So, dun ko palang nare-receive yung mga tips. So, yung iba, mamaya ko pa makikita kung magtitip sila o hindi. Okay, so, ngayong araw, 43 plus tip kanina, hindi pa nag-update. So, mayroon tayong 8 trips, morning and evening. So, okay na yan. Thank you. Nadagdagan ulit tayo ng subscribers. Salamat ha. Malapit na tayo maging 40 subscribers. Kapit lang. Huwag na sana kayong mabawasan. Lalo pa tayong madagdagan. So, ulitin. Bye-bye. Thank you. Oh, dito na tayo sa bahay. Pahabol ko lang yung kaninang yung huli kong order, yung nakisuyo na i-deliver ko sa room niya. Nagtip ng malaki, $25. Pakita ko sa inyo ito. Kita nyo, ayan. So, maganda yung biyahe natin ngayon. Ang daming nagtip. Ito, yung tatlo yung nagtip. So, inabot tayo ng around $70. Ayos na, pwede na yan. Solve na ngayong araw. So, yeah, so yun na lang. Dito na lang tayo. Next time ulit. Thank you. Bye-bye. Good night.
Pinoy Uber Eats driver experience.